how to make money on Instagram regardless of the amount of followers that you have. What's going on, guys? Regal here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an application and platform that you can utilize to make money directly from Instagram. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, to start things off, the first thing you guys want to do is click the first link in the description box down below. This link will redirect you guys to a website called Famebit. Now, a basic summary of what Famebit is that it's basically a meeting point for influencers as well as brands. You can connect and find multiple brands and conduct multiple sponsorship deals utilizing the Famebit platform, and that's exactly what we're going to be focusing on today. Using the Famebit platform is super simple, as all you have to do is simply create an account and simply link the social media accounts from where you'll be promoting the brands that you get by utilizing the Famebit platform. Now, making money from the Famebit platform can be as simple as posting a picture on your Instagram account. I mean, there's hundreds of thousands of brands ready to partner with you for sponsorship deals that'll be willing to pay hundreds of dollars just for a post on your Instagram. Now, obviously, I hope this will make way more sense if we actually go ahead and create a brand new account with Famebit, as well as link our social media platforms from where we'll be going ahead and promoting the content. After you guys have created your account, the next step we're going to be taking is simply submitting proposals to companies and waiting for their response to find out whether or not you received that deal. As I said previously, there's hundreds of thousands of companies on this platform, so if you don't get accepted from one, there's always another company to go to. And well, once you guys land a successful brand deal with one of these companies, you'll straight up be making money for posting something on your Instagram account. And well, the more followers that you have, obviously the more money that you'll be getting from these companies. So yeah, pretty much that'll wrap up today's video. If you guys want to go ahead and start making money just from posting something on Instagram, be sure to click the link in the description box down below, sign up with a Famebit account, download the application for Famebit if you want to, link your existing social media accounts, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, pretty much that'll wrap up today's video. If you guys did go ahead and like it, be sure to hit that like button. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's been Regal, and I'm out. Peace.